Okay, all right, back again. So this is the plantain. Cut the plantain. This is ripe plantain. Get that thing out. Discard this. Use a bowl. Cut that thing in half. Cut it up. We're gonna do this real quick. Right. We're gonna smush this together. All right. When we come back. All right. Okay. Back again. So I add a tablespoon of flour in here just to get that thing bind up a little bit, and agave syrup. I add basically a teaspoon, and also a little hint of vanilla extract. So my viewers, just make sure that when you're doing this, you just use a ripe plantain. Mine is not ripe 100%, so it's easier. I'm gonna add a little bit, a hint of vanilla puree. This is very expensive. So a little hint. So a little hint more. See, as you can see, it's very thick. And I'm gonna roll out the dough real quick. Bear with me. Welcome back again. Today we are gonna make a plantain flitters, and this is easy and breezy. And stay tuned. I want you to watch this video because this video is gonna be very excited. All right. First we have 1 cup of flour and a little salt and a little hint of sugar. Second, we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And once for all, we have a little half teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix this around thoroughly. And we have almond milk. We have 1 cup of almond milk. Gonna add a little bit first. And we have half cup of water. Add a little bit first, and then we're gonna mix. And when we come back, we're gonna go to the rolling stage of roll out the dough after we get it together. Stay tuned. A very easy, simple step. Add a little bit more of water. Pick up that accessory amount of and when we come back, we're gonna go to the rolling stage. All right, stay tuned. Here's my dough. I put it in the refrigerator to let it sit up. And here's my rolling pin. I'm gonna roll this out. All right. I'll roll this out. Don't want to roll it too thin, but just right in the middle. Not too thin, not too thick. I'm not rolling it on the sheeter because I want to tell the difference how thick I'm rolling it. Just like rolling it like a pie crust, like basically. And I have my cutter. Release the dough. You can put a little flour in it, but let's put a little flour. So it doesn't stick. A little flour. You want to put a little flour on the top also, but not too much. Get that off the way. And you're gonna cut out. Cut 2. We're just gonna do 2 today. If you want to roll this crop again, you can, but I would suggest not to. Get rid of that. Then I have my scoop here. I use purple scoop. This is probably like ½ ounce. Put that in. As you can see the vanilla bean inside. A little bit more. You want to stretch your dough a little bit when you're folding it. Use a little tip of water. A little bit of water to seal. Seal there. I'll put this away here. I forgot this trick I was gonna show you. We're gonna use this to make 2 different ones. Use that and that. As you can. This is how you fry plantain. This is a small sneak peek of fried plantains. Yeah, I like my plantain to be like golden brown. So I deep fry them. That's how they look when you deep fry them. Very nice and tasty. Yeah. Very nice. Golden brown. Thank you for watching. I just want to say, if it was not you, all of you out there, click on my channel wouldn't be growing, and it wouldn't be excited for me to still carry on. I know that you guys support me, you know, ladies and gentlemen out there, you support me a lot, and I really appreciate it. And every time you click on my channel and push subscribe, it made me want to do more, and it's just all because of you out there. You know, give me the energy to still carry on, to go and do over and beyond on this channel. I want to say thank you so much. I want to say I appreciate you all out there, and you have a safe one. All right, peace.